So the first thing we're going to do is put these rubber bolts into the ceramic bowls, just like this. Now we're going to connect the bracket to the seat using the bracket and these metal guides with the screw that goes right in there and allows you to adjust it exactly where you need it. And in there. And on this side as well. Now you're just going to take the seat, line it up, and slide it into place. So now you want to be connecting the 7/8 connector here, just like that. I'm going to screw that into the water source. Nice and tight. And this one will connect under here. Might have to adjust that a little bit, like that. Super simple. And then we're going to connect this in here. Very simple. And then it goes right into the seat itself, just like that. And voila. This is an auto feeder. This is the oscillating on the rear, then the front oscillating, and then this is where you can adjust all your temperatures and your pressure. Over here is your on and off button, and then you can turn the light on and off if you choose. So just like that, we have the bidet installed. It's super simple to install. I love the features that this has. With it's very customizable with the light, the temperatures, the heat, all of those wonderful features that make this such a great product. So any member of your family will love it, and I love mine. Today we're going to take a look at this electric bidet that I have. We are going to install it. I'm going to show you the easy steps that it takes to install it. It has a heated seat. It has instant warm water system. It has a warm air dryer, and all of these things you can customize. You can adjust the pressure, and it's also, what I really like about it too, is it's auto cleaning. So it self-cleans before each use and after each use. It's a great personal cleaning system that I really love, especially the night light that provides a really soft illuminating light at night. It also has a soft seat close feature on it, so there's no slamming of the toilet seat. So it's just a really, really great personal cleaning system that's easy to install, lots of great features. So I'm going to take you through each step and how to install it. Super easy, and I'm really excited about this addition to our bathroom.